Welcome to the world of ultimate luxury. Super yachts, floating palaces designed for the elite, combining engineering excellence, exquisite craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. But how are these magnificent vessels created? Join us as we explore the fascinating process of superyacht production. It all starts with a vision. The journey of a superyacht begins in the design studios, where naval architects, engineers, and interior designers collaborate to create a masterpiece. Every detail is customized to suit the owner's desires, from the yacht's length and layout to high-tech entertainment and lavish interiors. Once the blueprint is finalized, production begins with material selection. Most superyachts are built from steel and aluminum, offering durability and strength. The hull, the yacht's foundation, is carefully constructed to ensure efficiency, stability, and speed. Next comes the assembly process. The yacht is fitted with powerful engines, advanced navigation systems, and state-of-the-art stabilizers. These components are meticulously installed to ensure smooth performance on the open sea. A superyacht's interior is where luxury truly shines. Expert artisans handcraft bespoke furniture, intricate wood paneling, and stunning marble features. High-end amenities such as private cinemas, pools, and even submarines are incorporated for the ultimate experience. Modern superyachts are equipped with the latest technology. Smart automation allows owners to control lighting, climate, and entertainment at the touch of a button. Many new yachts also feature hybrid propulsion systems, reducing their environmental impact while maintaining performance. Before a superyacht is handed over to its owner, it undergoes rigorous testing. Sea trials ensure optimal performance, while every onboard system is fine-tuned for perfection. Only after passing these final checks does the yacht set sail for its new home. Building a superyacht is a blend of artistry, engineering, and luxury, a testament to human innovation and craftsmanship. Whether for relaxation, exploration, or sheer indulgence, these floating mansions represent the pinnacle of maritime excellence. If you enjoyed this journey through superyacht production, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury and technology.